Hi, I'm Dennis Hansen. This is my Triumph Speed 4. Today I'm going to be taking the battery, this battery, and putting it in this motorcycle. Super Sport Power Sonic, I guess it is. And it's an AMG battery. When you do this, you want to wear eye protection and hand protection. Okay, and just to show, it has a recess, but it has a little piercing, kind of a standoff. So when I push these down on it, it's supposed to pierce that and fill the cells. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, so I did have a little bit of an issue trying to fill this battery. And what I wound up doing was I took a little Japanese pull saw and I cut these guys off and those guys off because this middle one, I should say, would not fill. It just wouldn't drain. So what I wound up doing is kind of just squeezing it in there. They do give you this cap thing. So you're going to put that on. It's just a pressure fit. I put it on my trickle charger. I'm going to let it charge for a couple hours. And this is telling me that it's 13.33. So let's see, I got 13.28, which that's real good. Before I go disconnecting anything, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this tool to plug into my USB port, and that will keep electrical power going to the ECU, so I won't have a memory loss when I disconnect the battery. I noticed that with this bike, I pushed on the bottom side of the battery tray. It's a plastic tray. It's right by the rear shock, and make sure that battery is pushed down all the way, because it has a tendency to hang up. Looks like a good fit to me. Seems like it's going to be alright. There's a few reasons you want to change your battery before it gets completely flat. First one being the bike won't run very good. Another big reason you don't want to let that battery run down too much is that it puts a big strain on your electrical charging system, your stator, the wires going to the rectifier and the rectifier. Usually I think it's the stator that burns up. Trying to help the people that are just getting started. So anyway, I hope that helps them out, and thanks for watching.